Join me as I dive into the world of self-employed insurance and challenge myself to find out if I'm really protecting myself with the right coverage. As a self-employed individual, you're probably no stranger to the thrill of being your own boss, but with great freedom comes great responsibility. One of the most important responsibilities you have is to protect your business and personal assets from unexpected risks and liabilities. That's where self-employed insurance comes in. Having the right insurance coverage can be the difference between success and financial ruin. Many people think that self-employed insurance is just an added expense, something they can't afford or won't need. But the truth is, being underinsured can be a ticking time bomb waiting to destroy everything you've worked for. I've spoken to many self-employed individuals who think they're covered, but in reality, they're leaving themselves open to huge risks. One common misconception is that only big businesses need insurance, but the truth is, anyone can be sued, regardless of the size of their business. Another misconception is that having some insurance is better than none at all. But the reality is, having inadequate insurance coverage is almost as bad as having none. You might think you're saving money by opting for the cheapest policy, but if something goes wrong, you'll be the one footing the bill. And trust me, you don't want to be in that situation. I've also come across people who think that their personal insurance policies, like health or home insurance, will cover their business. But the truth is, these policies are designed to protect you personally, not your business. You need specific business insurance policies to protect your business from unique risks and liabilities. When it comes to self-employed insurance, there are several types of policies to consider. Liability insurance, for example, protects you in case someone sues you for negligence or malpractice. Health insurance is essential for freelancers or solopreneurs who don't have access to group health insurance plans through an employer. And property insurance protects your business equipment, inventory, and even your office space. Liability insurance is especially important if you provide professional services or advice to clients. For example, if you're a financial advisor and one of your clients loses money due to your advice, they can sue you. Having the right liability insurance can protect your business from financial ruin. Health insurance is crucial for self-employed individuals who rely on their income to support themselves and their families. Imagine if you were to suddenly fall ill and couldn't work for several months, how would you pay your bills? Having the right health insurance policy can ensure that you receive the medical care you need without going bankrupt. Let me share a real-life story with you. I know a freelancer who didn't think she needed business insurance because she worked from home and didn't have any employees. But one day, a client tripped and fell in her home office, injuring themselves badly. The client sued her, and despite having some personal insurance, it didn't cover the business-related liability. She was left with a huge legal bill and a damaged reputation. This story illustrates the importance of having the right insurance coverage in place. If the freelancer had invested in liability insurance, she would have been protected from the financial consequences of the accident. It's a harsh reality check, but it's a risk that many self-employed individuals face every day. In another case, I know a small business owner who thought he had adequate insurance coverage, but when a fire destroyed his office, he discovered that his policy didn't cover the full value of his equipment and inventory. He was left with a huge financial burden, which almost put him out of business. These stories highlight the importance of having the right insurance coverage in place. As self-employed individuals, we need to be proactive in protecting our businesses and assets. To recap, selecting the right insurance coverage is crucial for self-employed individuals. It's not just about having some insurance, it's about having the right insurance that protects you from unique risks and liabilities. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your own experiences with self-employed insurance in the comments below. If you're looking for more business insurance tips, be sure to check out our next video.